Hey guys, your dude Keon. So today I'm at the SM Megamall here at Mandaluyong City, and we're gonna check out this mall, one of the biggest malls here in the Philippines, and I'm very excited to see what shops we're gonna see inside. Alright guys, if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, and punch that notification bell so you can get more videos just like this. Alright guys, let's go inside. We're inside Megamall, and we're just gonna walk around, see what kind of shops we're gonna get. There's some car display here, and let's see what shops we're gonna see. So we're at the ground floor right now, and I'm gonna go down to the basement to see what kind of establishments we got here. This mall has been divided into 3 areas, I think. We've got the building A, building B, and the new building, which is and the new building, which is in the middle. So we're gonna check that out. All right, guys. To start, we're at the basement area of Megamall. You can see there's our home, some furniture store right there, some Kuya J's restaurant, got some Manhan as well. At the basement, it's where to find various shops, and we got Concord, some car accessory shops. It's a little bit cold here. I love the temperature setting in this mall. So, we got they mostly put all of the car accessory shops in this area. We got Blade as well, and what else? Alright, looks like we're moving on to some hobby shops. I would say hobby shops, but there's a pet shop right here called Bio Research. You can see some parrots, some pets inside. We're gonna go into the middle part of this mall, and looks like we have some small restaurants in here. Got bubble tea, Jim's recipe, and Okoke. Some small Japanese restaurants. Well, this is interesting. What else can we find here? Basically some restaurants over here. You got a food court. Biggest food court in the Philippines, I think. This is where I eat some of the food back in the day. It's a big food court right here. Alright, you got some plaything area, and some other establishments as well. Oh, they got some carousel, and I don't think I'll be entering the food court. It's a little bit busy because it's the weekends. And they got some Japanese restaurant and classic savory right here. And everyone's favorite toy store, Toy Kingdom. Alright, moving on. We're gonna go back to whence we came from. Alright, we're back here at the main hallway of the mall. We're still at the basement, lower ground area. And this is what I'm telling you about earlier about the hobby shops, which is very rare. You can see that on various malls. You can see there's Comic Press. We got Blue Magic. And the other side as well, we got Lil's Hobby Center right here, which sells Tamiya and other toys. I would say there are collectible toys. You can see some Tamiyas and some boats and some planes, and that's what you have. Alright, moving on. We got some bike shops right here, and some Funko Pops, which is very big right now. You can buy them at Phil Bars. Alright, this is interesting. I didn't know Fujifilm has their own store, but it's existing right here. Alright, what else can we find here? We got some glasses store, George, and one of the favorite place that I always come to back in the day is a bookstore. We got here some second-hand books at a book sale. Alright, what else can we find here? We're almost, I think we're at building A right now. So we're gonna go in the middle of the mall right now. And this is where you can find the arcades, which is in the basement part of the mall, so, or the lower ground, as you can see here. I might be wrong or might be right, but I think this is the only mall in the Philippines where you can see, you know, 4 different arcade shops are in one mall and next to each other, which is very, very unique. Usually when you go into one mall, you can only see one arcade for a mall. So for this specific mall here at Megamall, 4 different arcades in there, it is very great. Alright, we're at building B, and as you can see, there's a bunch of restaurants over here. You got some, I call it Inasal and Mangan. You got some bunch of clothing stores as well on the other side. And they do have my favorite store in a mall, a music store. So we're gonna go inside and see the guitars at JB Music. Alright, I just spent some time at JB Music. Always enjoy my time and looking at the guitars over there. So we're just gonna walk around and complete the tour on the other side of the mall. You got some SM department store right there. And some small drink stores right here. Oh, they got JB stores. JB Sports, I mean. What else? And they have some carpets, some carpet stores. And we got another guitar store. They got RJ. I think I'm gonna go and spend time there for a bit. See you here at RJ. Completing the building B tour. Here at the basement part, the appliance center right here, and we got some Ace hardware as well, and some bibingkanitan. If you love bibingka, I got some pho as well. Vietnamese restaurant, some Chinese restaurant, I think. Never heard of this. Sincerity. Established 1956. Alright, we're gonna go to the ground floor. Now we're going upstairs. Alright, off the bat here, we got the supermarket. And some surplus and Dunkin' Donuts as well. And currently at Building B right now, so I'm just gonna walk around and see some of the establishments right here. The busiest part of the mall. It's got some Jollibees right here. And of course, Chowking on the next one. And lots of cool eateries in here. The second floor of the department store right here. What else? So, just some regular shops here. And I think I would have to go to the next floor because on this floor, on the ground floor, Building A and Building B of Megamall is actually divided on this floor. So I would have to go upstairs just to cross between buildings just to avoid getting outside of the mall. So we got some Goldilocks here. I see some Krispy Kremes and some Popeyes. And another bookstore here that I haven't seen called the Art Bar. Alright, I think we're in the second floor. Yep, we're in the second floor, and mostly there are shops over here, some lipstick shops, cosmetic shops, some clothing stores as well. And I think it's a less busy store compared from the ground floor. Oh, we got some Sunny's Cafe. And yeah, it's mostly clothing stores on this floor. So I don't usually go on this floor because I'm not much into you know, buying clothes and stuff. So we're just gonna skip this floor, I guess. Alright, I think I've reached the end of Building A here on the second floor. I think it's mostly some coffee shops, some small restaurants, and mostly clothing related, perfume related, and cosmetic related stores in here. So I mean, I think this is going to be my last one of those floors that I'm gonna skip while I'm here. And alright, I'm gonna go to other floors now. So cute. Alright, going to the third floor now. Alright, third floor, we've got the cinema floor, which is awesome. Usually on other malls they are put on the last floors of the malls, but not on this mall. They put it on the third floor, which is very interesting. So we're here at SM Cinema, and mostly now are overtaken by Jurassic World Dominion by Chris Pratt. So I might be watching that very soon, another mall. So just gonna continue walking around. Some candy stores right here. We got some specialty stores right here. Got some watch, some shoes, some bike stores as well. We got some jewelries on the side here. Oh, they have the Happy Lemon. I might buy some right now because yeah, I'm craving for some milk tea again. Alright, this is interesting. They closed one cinema hall here. As you can see, I think they're just limiting the cinemas right now because we're in a pandemic so not everything is open, unfortunately. But again, we're gonna go drink some milk tea here at Happy Lemon. We're on the way right now, just crossing up some well-known American brands. Got some Vans. This one, Pearly. I'm surprised they have this store. I think it's very rare to find this store in the Philippines. We got Pearly, which is awesome. I think it's a skateboarding brand. Alright, we're here at the Happy Lemon. I'm gonna buy some tea here. I hope they have Yakult. It's one of my favorite drinks. Hey guys, actually this is the end of the video. My video capture device didn't capture any moments after I drank some tea on Happy Lemon. Cannot retrieve those files, and there was actually more footage after that, but unfortunately we have to end it here. Appreciate you guys dropping by. Please leave a like and share this video, and comment down below where do you want me to vlog next. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, KeonPH. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!